Hey there, future scientists. Ever feel lost in a sea of information? Don't worry, I'm here to help. We're about to unlock the power of Google for life sciences research. Get ready to become a research rock star. Whether you're exploring the mysteries of DNA or the complexities of ecosystems, research is the key. It's like detective work, but for science. And just like any good detective, you need the right tools. That's where Google comes in. Think of Google as your trusty lab partner, always there to lend a helping hand. Or should I say, a helping search bar. With billions of web pages at your fingertips, Google opens a universe of knowledge. But hold on, before you dive into the vast digital library, let's learn how to navigate it effectively. Get ready to become a Google search ninja. Alright, science sleuths, let's master the art of Googling for research. First things first, be specific with your search terms. Instead of just typing cells, try plant cell structure or animal cell functions. The more specific you are, the better your results. Next, use quotation marks to search for exact phrases. For example, searching for gene editing will give you results that include both words, while searching for gene editing with quotation marks will only show results containing that exact phrase. Pretty neat, right? Don't forget about those handy-dandy search operators. Use the minus sign to exclude certain words. Let's say you want to learn about photosynthesis but not in algae. You would search for photosynthesis, algae. Easy peasy. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Google, the better you'll become at crafting those killer search queries. So, go ahead and get those fingers typing. Now, let's talk about Google Scholar, your free pass to the world of academic literature. Think of it as Google's brainy older sibling, specializing in scholarly articles, theses, and conference papers. To access this treasure trove of knowledge, simply head to scholar.google.com. The search bar works just like regular Google, but the results are tailored specifically for academic research. Cool, huh? One of the coolest features of Google Scholar is the cited by link. This shows you all the other papers that have cited a particular article, giving you a sense of its impact and influence. It's like a citation family tree. You can also use the related articles link to find papers on similar topics. It's a great way to discover new research and broaden your understanding. Think of it as a choose-your-own adventure for science. Section 4. Trustworthy sources, separating fact from fiction. Hold your horses, science detectives. Before you start citing every website you find, it's crucial to check the credibility of your sources. Not everything on the internet is true, you know. When evaluating a source, ask yourself these questions. Who wrote it? Is it a reputable organization or an individual with expertise in the field? What's the purpose of the website? Is it to provide unbiased information or to promote a particular agenda? Look for websites with .edu, .gov, or .org extensions. These tend to be more reliable than .com sites, which are often commercial. But remember, even within these domains, it's essential to be critical. If you're unsure about a source, ask your teacher, librarian, or a trusted expert. They can help you separate the scientific wheat from the internet chaff. Section 5. Bonus Googling Power-Ups. Ready to level up your Googling game? Here are some bonus tips and tools. Use advanced search. Both Google and Google Scholar offer advanced search options, allowing you to refine your search by date, language, publication, and more. It's like having a secret weapon for finding exactly what you need. Explore Google Datasets. This powerful tool lets you search for datasets from various sources, including government agencies, research institutions, and universities. It's a goldmine for data-driven science projects. Check out Google Trends. Curious about the latest research trends in your field? Google Trends shows you the popularity of different search terms over time, giving you insights into what's hot in the world of science. Section 6. Responsible research. Be a savvy science sleuth. With great power comes great responsibility, my friends. As you embark on your research adventures, always cite your sources properly. Give credit where credit is due, and avoid plagiarism like the plague. Remember, research is a collaborative endeavor. Share your findings with others, engage in discussions, and be open to different perspectives. Science is all about exploration and discovery, so keep those curious minds buzzing. Section 7. Keep exploring. The world of science awaits. Congratulations, science explorers. You're now equipped with the Google skills to tackle any research project. Remember to be specific with your searches, use those awesome search operators, and always double-check your sources. Now go forth and unlock the mysteries of the universe. The world of science awaits your discoveries. And who knows? Maybe one day, you'll be the one writing the research papers that others are Googling.